Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum, which I try to keep you updated on this every once in a while. I mean, I don't cover Ethereum that much, but I do think it's interesting and it's very important to know what's going on. I mean, Ethereum is very much or very often named as kind of the proxy for altcoin performance. As in, if Bitcoin performs well, altcoins can do well as well, and if ETH BTC starts to bottom out, alt season can start. So therefore it's just interesting to know what's going on, and I know that quite a lot of you are also still interested in it as well. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. Talking about the fundamentals first, and after that we'll get into the technicals, because I do think that the technicals for Ethereum right now are most interesting, but it will make a little bit more sense. It will make a little bit more sense a little bit later. But Ethereum fundamentally, I think, has been doing quite well. I mean, the Ethereum ETF, as you can see right here, we had some outflows on Monday, but last week, and I think you can all remember how bullish or bearish last week was, we actually still had quite a lot of inflows coming into the Ethereum ETF. So that's quite bullish, I think. And in general, we've had a lot of inflows in the last 2 months. So that's great. Outside of that, like if you take a look at the other real fundamentals, like real network metrics for Ethereum, that is slightly less bullish. It's neutral, I would say. All right. So you can see, for example, the market cap of tokens on Ethereum, pretty much the same. TVL, same. DEX trading volumes, same, or even down a little bit, but that's normal in this time of the year. So yeah, fundamentally, I am more bullish than bearish on Ethereum because of those ETF numbers and also because of potential staking coming for the ETF in 2025 under Trump. So I am bullish on it. But then if we take a look at the technicals, and like I said, I think that's most interesting. What you can see here is that we are looking pretty good. I mean, ETH BTC has also found strong support here. And like I said, fundamentals are good. And Bitcoin also seems to have bottomed out a bit here. But then technically we are actually quite bearish. This is the daily time frame, right? So this is quite zoomed out. And you can see that we've actually broken down below the trend band and we are respecting it as resistance. And then outside of that, you can also see that like if we really want to stay bullish, we kind of need to be above this level here at 3,500. And we've not only broken down below that, but we have also so far respected that level. Now, all of that respecting the level was either in the weekend or in the holiday season. So what we are kind of waiting for right now is, can we actually, and it has to happen quite soon, because if we're unable to reclaim this level at 3,500, it's just a matter of time before we drop down back into 31 and 3,100 and 3,000, which is not the end of the world, because then we're just basically consolidating between this strong support level down here and this strong support resistance level at 3,500. Not the end of the world, but then it will probably take a bit longer before we're going to be able to break out of that consolidation, break above 3,500, and get back above to 4,100. So that's kind of what we have to see. Can we still, like, what I mean is that usually the price action that happens in the holiday season, it can completely turn around afterwards, right? So that's what we'll see either kind of at the end of this week, because right now it's still New Year's, of course, or at the beginning of next week. We will see if we can actually reverse this move so that we can break back above 3,500 and that we can actually stay on top of that, consolidate, and then from there it's much easier to actually become more bullish. And honestly, because of the situation right now and because of the uncertainty around Bitcoin, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we'll actually do something like this. So that we will have more bearish momentum, that we will be able to hold support levels as well, though, and that will consolidate here first before we actually get some sort of a momentum increase and that we can break out. But those are my thoughts. That's all I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.